Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play a 5-string minor bar chord. 5-string minor bar chord. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Now this 5-string minor bar chord, this is what it looks like. And this is what it sounds like. And for this example, I'm going to be playing the C minor 5-string bar chord. So you can play this bar chord over whatever root note you're playing. So if I'm playing over the C, which is on the 5th string, 3rd fret, if that's my root, it becomes a C minor bar chord. So again, I'm going to play the C minor bar chord. I'm going to take my index finger. I'm going to find the root, which is again the 5th string, 3rd fret. I'm going to place my index finger down, and it's going to cover basically strings 1 through 5 on the 3rd fret, 1 through 5. Then I'm going to take my ring finger and place it on the 4th string, 5th fret. Then I'm going to take my pinky finger and place it on the 3rd string, 5th fret. Then I'm going to take my middle finger and place it on the 2nd string, 4th fret. And this index finger, it ends up playing over the 1st and 5th strings. The 1st and 5th strings. So that 1st and 5th string again are being barred by my index finger on the 3rd fret. And it's going to sound like this. And that's your most popular 5-string minor bar chord. And if you learn your notes on the 5th string, up and down the fretboard, you can take that minor bar chord and move it around. Like, for example, this 1st fret on the 5th string is a B flat. I could take that bar chord and place it right there with that B flat being the root note, and it becomes a B flat minor 5-string bar chord. I can come up here to the 5th fret with D being the root, D of the root on the 5th fret, 5th string, and that's my D minor 5-string bar chord. So that's how you play a minor 5-string bar chord. Hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And I got a lot more videos for you.